Welcome to Appliance Codes, your go-to source for appliance repair guides and troubleshooting tips. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to remove the console on a Whirlpool Cabrio washer. You can find more detailed repair guides and troubleshooting tips on our website at appliancecodes.com. Let's get started. Before starting any repair, make sure to unplug the washer from the electrical outlet. This is crucial for your safety to prevent any accidental electric shock or injury. Step 2. Turn off the water supply. Locate the water supply valves behind your washer and turn them off. This step helps to avoid any water leakage or flooding while you work on the washer. Step 3. Remove the mounting screws. At the back of the control panel, you'll find two 1/4-inch hex head screws securing the console to the top panel of the washer. Use a 1/4-inch hex head screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Step 4. Release the console clips. Now with the screws removed, take a putty knife and gently slide it down between the console assembly and the top panel of the washer. Push back on the top of the console while maneuvering the putty knife around the screw area to release the console clip. Repeat this process on both the right and left sides of the console. Step 5. Flip the console forward. Once both clips are released, flip the control panel forward carefully. Be gentle to avoid stretching or damaging any wires connected to the console. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the console on your Whirlpool Cabrio washer. If you need more help or have any questions, visit our website at appliancecodes.com and submit your question. A factory-trained technician will follow up with you to provide assistance. The link to submit a question is in the video description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel Appliance Codes for more helpful repair guides and tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.